Hi folks, Marty here again, and this week we're going to take a look at the song A Message To You Rudy. Stop your messing around, better think of your future, time to straighten right out, creating problems in town. Rudy, a message to you, Rudy, a message to you. Ba ba da ba da ba ba, da ba da ba da ba ba. Stop your fooling around. Time to straighten right out. Better think of your future. Lest you wind up in jail. Rudy, a message to you, Rudy, a message to you. Ba-da-da-ba-da-ba, ba-da-da-ba-da-ba. Stop your messing around. Better think of your future. Time to straighten right out. Creating problems in town. Rudy, a message to you, 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 Rudy. Ba ba da ba da ba ba, ba da da ba da ba. Okay, folks, in this part, I'm going to look at the chords that are used in the song and the strum pattern. Okay, so first up, you've got your A chord, you've got your D, and I'm using my last three fingers in this one because it means I can keep that second finger on and just drop those other two, the third and fourth underneath it. So from the A into the D like that. So it's like a little pivot, and that works quite handy for this song. And then you've got your E7 chord. Okay, one more time. So we get your A, pivot into the D, and then E7. And then we're going to look at the strum pattern now. So it's the Island Strum Pattern Part 2, which you'll be familiar with by now. If not, you can also have a look at our video on popular strum patterns, and it's under Island Strum Pattern Part 2. Okay, so very simply like this, and I'll start that in the A chord of the song. Down, down, up, up, down, 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 up, up, down. A wee bit slower. Down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down. And then into your D, down, down, up, down. And then E7, down, down, up, down. Okay, so for the best part of this song, basically you're playing that A twice, and it's 4 beats on the A, but you're doing that twice. 4 beats on the D, 4 beats on the E7. So it's kind of like this: A, 4, A, 2, 3, 4, A, D, 2, 3, 4, E7, 2, 3, 4, A, 2, 3, 4, A, 2, 3, 4, D, 2, 3, 4, E7, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so just play that through this song. It's the easiest way to do that, just by working on those 3 chords and the beats per chord, and that'll keep you right. So folks, in this section, we're going to take a look at playing the song a wee bit slower for you. So have a go at it. But before you do that, if you're getting a lot out of these videos, don't forget to subscribe, like, and hit that bell for notifications of future updates of songs and videos. So here we go. Starting on the A. Stop your messing around. Better think of your future. Time you straighten right out. Creating problems in town. Rudy, a message to you, Rudy, a message to you, da 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 da, da 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 da. Stop your fooling around. Time to straighten right out. Better think of your future. Lest you wind up in jail. Rudy, a message to you, Rudy, a message to you, ba da 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 da, ba da 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 da. Stop your messing around. Better think of your future. Time you straighten right out. Creating problems in town. Rudy, a message to you, 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 Rudy, ba-da-da-ba-da-ba, ba-da-da-ba-da-ba, So there you have it, folks. Played through a little bit slower for you. Have a wee go at that and then come back to the first part and play along at the normal speed with me. And folks, remember, keep strumming and keep her lit until I see you next week.